Jerusalem, where the stories of three religions meet.
The city of prophets. Why all eyes turn to Al-Quds.
For Muslims, first Qibla, direction of prayer. Before facing the Kaaba in Mecca, Muslims originally prayed towards Al-Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem. This shows its deep spiritual importance in early Islam. The night journey, Isra and Mi'raj. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was taken from Mecca to Masjid al-Aqsa in one night. Glory be to him, who took his servant by night from al-Masjid al-Haram to al-Masjid al-Aqsa, whose surroundings we have blessed. From there he ascended to the heavens. Third holiest site in Islam, after Mecca, Masjid al-Haram, and Medina, Masjid al-Nabawi. Praying there equals more reward, as per Hadith. End times prophecies. It will be a key battlefield where Dajjal will be defeated, and Prophet Isa, Jesus ﷺ, will descend. For Christians, crucifixion and resurrection of Jesus ﷺ. Christians believe Jesus was crucified and resurrected in Jerusalem, especially around the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. Jesus' teachings. Much of his ministry occurred in and around Jerusalem, site of major biblical events. The Last Supper, Pentecost, and other events central to Christian faith occurred here. Prophecy of return. Many Christians believe Jesus will return to Jerusalem in the end times. For Jews, location of the two temples. The first temple, built by Solomon, and the second temple, rebuilt after exile, were in Jerusalem, on what is now the Temple Mount. Western Wall, Wailing Wall, remnant of the Second Temple, and the holiest place where Jews can currently pray. City of David and Prophets. Jerusalem is seen as the ancient capital of King David, and central to Jewish history and prophecy. Awaiting the Messiah. Many Jews believe the Messiah will appear and rebuild the temple in Jerusalem.